Who are we? We are a renewable consultancy solution company for businesses. Our services primarily include LED lighting installations, solar photovoltaics, electric vehicle chargers, battery storage systems (BESS), solar water heating systems, and biomass generation. Whilst services such as lighting installations may be available to many businesses, we understand that other, more costly technologies can be out of reach to most. We aim to provide these services with no upfront costs to your business. We do that by installing a renewable energy system at your premises with zero upfront cost, so that you, the business owner, can benefit from cheaper electricity, often as much as 50% cheaper than you're likely paying the national grid. After the installation, you pay us for what you use from your new renewable source instead of your regular energy provider. More importantly, you pay much less. Sound too good to be true? Well, it is that simple. What types of renewables meet these criteria? Commercial solar installations, EV charging, battery storage systems, wind turbines, solar farms, combined heating and power (CHP) units, and energy-saving hot water generating tanks. The primary way you would cover this installation is through either a power purchase agreement (PPA) or a rental agreement. You may ask yourself, how would this financially make any difference to your business? With the volatility in energy prices in the last year, prices seem to show no signs of slowing down. Here at the Power Hub, we would like to offer either a cap on energy prices for several years or to create a trailing price, which sits below the going market rate to ensure you save on your bill. How your utility bill would change would depend on whether you rent the technology or finance it through a PPA. Regardless of your business and circumstances, 95% of the time, we have a solution for you. Everyone seems to be talking about net zero carbon. What is it, and how can your business benefit? Net zero has the objective of reaching a point of carbon neutrality. It is not about stopping carbon emissions, but reducing emissions in unison with carbon offsetting. Any reduction of greenhouse gas (GHG) emissions to make up for emissions that occur elsewhere. The simplest of which could be planting trees. The UK is aiming for net zero by 2050. The clock is ticking. Once you decide to work with us, and as soon as your installation gets commissioned, we will be providing you with your very own carbon footprint certification. We partner with carbon footprint specialists, which is part of the service. The cost to you, once again, is no charge. Your carbon footprint helps our own, so it's another win-win. Now, if you thought we would be climbing over your roof or digging up your farm, that's not the case. We vet every contractor we work with to ensure that you receive the best, top-quality install. It's quite a process getting on our contractors list. As well as looking thoroughly through their health and safety procedures, we insist that they all have these credentials. 1. Competency records. 2. Insurance and indemnities. 3. Warranties. 4. History. We will ask you a few questions once they've finished gauging your overall satisfaction. The contractor is then scored accordingly. 5. We look at their past projects. Do they have the capability even to carry out your installation? 6. What equipment do they use? 7. What's their supply chain like? There is little point in saying yes, we can, if they can't. 8. Subcontractor company records. Yes, everyone that attends your site doesn't do so unless they meet our criteria. Each and every contractor we use will need to have the following certifications and validations. 1. ISO 9001. Quality Management Systems. Do they walk their walk? 2. ISO 14001 environmental management systems. Do they practice what they preach? 3. ISO 45001 health and safety management systems. Do they follow all the HSE guidelines? We even assign our very own project manager to ensure that all our so very stringent measures are continually understood and applied. So, as you can see, we check absolutely everything so you don't have to. You get a nothing to pay upfront, top quality renewable energy system and benefit from the cheaper electricity. We invest in your company and make a profit on the returns. And the planet gets a carbon reduction boost from all of us. A win-win for everyone. If you would like to be a part of this nothing to pay upfront offer, fill out the contact form, the link or button of which can be found directly next to this video. And one of our green energy experts will reach out to you for an informal chat.